We're here! We've made it to Orlando for the weekend. Hello, so we just got to Orlando. We're waiting on our Uber ride and we're about to go head to the park. The first park we're going to is Hollywood Studios, so it should be pretty fun. We're gonna go straight there just because they open it right now, so we're just gonna go. Orlando airport's pretty nice. I've never been here. Every time I've come to Orlando, we've always driven here, so today we actually flew, so it seems pretty cool. So we're gonna explore a little bit and see what's up. To Hollywood Studios. We're about to go check in and have a good day. So excited! Very sunny day. It was really cloudy this morning, so I thought it would rain, but then the sun came out, so we're super excited to enjoy the day at Hollywood Studios. We just got to Hollywood Studios. We're inside. Super exciting. It's a gorgeous day. And we're just ready for some adventures. I think we're going to head over to, where are we going?
To eat.
Food? Yeah, breakfast, something for breakfast. And then probably head over to Star Wars. Because that line is the longest at the moment. So first stop was food. We're currently at the ABC commissary. We just got our food. So I got the chicken club sandwich. And then Ricardo got the California burger.
It's plant-based.
Yeah. Have you tried it yet?
Here we go.
Good? Okay. I'm about to try mine, so we'll see how it is.
May the force be with us.
Commander FALCON and a squadron of X-Wings just got us to the rendezvous point on Wakara. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. You're not alright. It wasn't a these two droids anyway. Let me see. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's deployed. Please, what are you doing? Down, up, and down. Ground crew will meet you outside the ring.
What are you drinking? Yeah.
It's blue milk.
What's the blue milk? What does it taste like?
It's like a slush.
Okay.
Like a milky slush.
Okay. Cool. Very cool.
Yeah. It cost me 8 credits.
Yeah.
Safe
Now
travel.
we're heading into, what land is this?
Toy Story Land.
Toy Story Land. Ooh, there it is. We got Buzz. Alien swirling. Do you want to get on that?
Which one?
Alien swirling saucers. How's it going? Good. We're in line to get on the Slinky Dog Dash ride. This one's a roller coaster. Should be pretty fun. It looks pretty long, so we're about to see how that goes. Not too bad. It's 60 minutes, but the line's moving pretty quick, so I think it's gonna be less than that. What's been your favorite ride so far?
Rise of the Resistance, for sure.
Yeah, that ride was really fun.
Yeah.
It was like really cool because it was like interactive. Like while you're in line, you're actually like doing things that are part of the ride, so that was pretty cool. Alright, catch you later. About to get on Slinky Dog. Hey babe.
Hey.
So, we are currently at the Hollywood Tower ride. We're about to get on while we're in line. We got Minute Maid frozen lemonade, the cola sauce, and some cool hats. Carter got a Mickey Nike one. And I got a Baby Yoda one. Because it's really hot. But it's cooling down a little. Having fun?
Fun. Real fun.
Alice and I are celebrating the Arendelle Festival. Yeah, that's exciting, right? Hi, Mona.
I got the Cobb salad. We're at the Hollywood Derby. What'd you get?
Brown Derby.
Oh, Hollywood Brown Derby. What'd you get?
I got the burger, and that's like some bacon jam.
Oh.
And then we got lobster mac and cheese.
Yeah, the lobster mac and cheese was good
And I
too.
heard those Cobb salads really good.
Yeah, I hope so. I got it with chicken, so we'll see. And here's my Shirley Temple, which has a little glow in the dark cube in it. So let's try this.
Yeah, they serve the joints here.
Okay, let's do it. That's fun. So we're currently waiting for Curtis to make his, what is it called?
Lightsaber.
Lightsaber. You can't get light year. A
Not Buzz
lightsaber.
Lightyear.
So which one are you gonna pick?
Peace and justice, I think.
So apparently you can put
Or
them all
power
together.
control, I'm not sure. I'm undecided. We gotta pay soon.
Yeah, so this should be cool. They have like a little, I guess, like a workshop or something where you can like put them together. So that's what we're doing. It's been fun. It's 7 o'clock now, so the day's kind of winding down. Probably gonna go to one more ride and then call it a day. Check into our resort and just chill.
Crystals for activation. And of course, one of the before training experience on my fellow gatherers here. We're making sure that the
That's awesome.
elders raise your sabers high. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And lightsabers can change the galaxy. Remember my place. No one takes a star. Good, please. Be back.
We just ended the day. We're about to get on our shuttle to go to our resort. Ricardo just made his lightsaber. And while we were making the lightsaber, Megan Fox was next to us making one also. So that was pretty cool. We got to see her. And kind of were a little starstruck when we were like, what, is that really her? So that was pretty cool. What do you guys say about that? He's happy with his lightsaber. That was basically the main reason we came here was for all things Star Wars, but that was pretty cool. So now we're gonna head back to actually go to our resort. Haven't been all day. Just relax. These doors are pretty cool. You get a full length mirror. And then here you get a double sink. That's cute. Nice. And the shower. So we're at Coronado Springs Disney Resort, and these are the casitas. So these are like the little rooms that they have here. They have all types. Exhausted. Yeah, they have all types of different room situations. So these are the casitas, and they're cute. They're like just single rooms, which are very cute. And we're actually right next to the pool, so that's gonna be really convenient because we're super hot. We have a long day in the sun.